I'm really proud of myself. Clean all the windows in the house, which I feel like is really mean to say about my baby. Like, I'm dyslexic. I can barely read English. I can't believe what he just did. I feel really embarrassed telling you this. Is this too much information? Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another video. So today is, what day is it? I don't even know. It is Wednesday. Oh my god, it's Wednesday already. How crazy. That was just a pile of towels which I folded earlier before I went to take Aleesa to school. But I've just got back from Aldi. I didn't need a lot. I just had a few bits and pieces that I needed to pick up, so I've just picked them up. The main thing was Issa's nappies, so I got 2 packs of nappies. I've really been enjoying these. They have quite a few calories in each bar, so there's 220 calories in each of these bars. It's basically like having a bowl of porridge, and it's 79p for 2 of them, so it's just like a really easy, quick breakfast if you don't know what to have and you're starving, and it does fill you up as well. Also picked up my lazy cheese, which is grated cheddar, because my kids are obsessed with cheese. Always have toasties and pasta, and it's just easier than grating it every single time. Lazy life, hashtag lazy life. As I was in there, I was looking around, I was like, what shall I have for dinner today? I don't have anything planned, so I picked up this. It was 30% off. I'll use it today, so it's not a big deal. Bassa fillets, boneless bassa fillets. I've never ever cooked bassa fillets before. I'm gonna look for a recipe, and then if I need to go pick up some more ingredients, then I will. And then I also picked up these sweet chili salmon mini fish cakes. They were also 30% off because they're going out of date today, so they can be a nice dinner for the kids. Smoked haddock and cheddar mini fish cakes, and then there's sweet chili salmon fish cakes, mini fish cakes. So they're like really cute. So I picked up those. And then, you know, my kids obsessed with yogurt, so 2 of those I got. Also got some of these little Scotch pancakes, easy breakfast for Issa. He is so fussy, so fussy. I got some strawberries. I got some cotton candy grapes, which I want to try right now. And then the last thing I got were some bananas. So it wasn't a big shop at all. I just got some essentials really, and just some food for tonight, nappies. That's it really. I'm really proud of myself, guys. My house is actually not messy, and it's all down to the fact that I was doing 10-minute tidy ups yesterday. I did the kitchen, I did that room, and I also did loads of washing. So I've got a wash that I need to put out right now because I did it before Aleesa went to school. Oh my god, they're so sweet. Aleesa is gonna love these. So nice. Anyway, I've got a load of washing to put out, and then I've also got a whole basket to put away. And my mission on my to-do list today is get all the windows cleared. So let me look at my to-do list and I'll tell you what's on there. Google Keep. Clean all the windows in the house. Get some nappies from Aldi, did that. And then I need to edit a video, which I'm not too fussed about right now because I just feel like I need to get this done. But I was also, if I do have time, I don't think I'll have time today, I might do it tomorrow because Issa goes to nursery tomorrow for an hour, his first day at nursery. Yesterday he went to nursery for half an hour, it's like his trial settling in period. And he loved it. I thought he was gonna cry if I left and all that, but he walked in, straight to the toys, didn't even look back. I went to sit in the little reception area, and then one of the ladies came and she was like, he hasn't even looked back to see if you're there yet. So he loves it there. And then when I went to take him away, he just screamed, like non-stop screamed. So he just loved it. Like, I'm very happy about it. He's gonna go for 15 hours a week. So I'll have 5 hours for 3 days a week to myself, to do whatever I want to do, to edit videos, to kind of just get things done, which is going to be so relieving, honestly. It just feels like a whole weight has been lifted off my shoulders, which I feel like is really mean to say about my baby. But if he loves it there, then, you know, who am I to stop him from going and spending time with boring old mom? But anyway, that is what's going on. I thought I would just catch you up a little bit. By the way, I stupidly gave Issa the iPad in the car, and then we got stuck in loads of traffic, and then by the time we finished in all that traffic and drove to Aldi, Issa decided that he wanted to puke, so he puked all of the orange juice and the toast that he ate this morning. I So he's got a little bit on his clothes, but it went all over his car seat, which I've scrubbed with wet wipes, but I don't want to wash them yet because I need to get Aleesa. So when she's back from school, I will do that. I know that's kind of gross, but it's okay. I'm going to take his clothes off and get those ready to get in the washing machine with the rest of the stuff. Yes, baby. Say hello. Mommy. Oh, you stink. Say, I stink. So I've just put my Karcher onto charge and it is gonna take a few minutes to charge, so I'm just gonna leave that, get everything else ready. I'm gonna put some clothes out while this charges. By the way, a lot of people have asked me about these and they are from Ilmahkids on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram link below. I love them so much. I bought them, by the way, they were not gifted. So there's the four calls basically. So An-Nas, Al-Falaq, Al-Ikhlas and Al-Kafirun. And these have helped me so much to learn my surahs because I forgot this one and I forgot this, no, not this one. I forgot this one and I forgot this one. So they have really helped me in kind of just learning them again and also the meanings of them too. And I really love the English version of it because I can barely read Arabic. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm dyslexic. I can barely read English, but this just makes it so much easier to kind of put it in my mind, if you know what I mean. But anyway, love them, not sponsored. But yeah, but this is going to charge now and then I need to fill this up. I need to put some washing up liquid and some warm water in here, and then this is another thing that I'm going to be using, my glass scrapers. If there's any tough marks on there, I will just literally scrape it off with this. I will leave the link to this and also my Karcher in the description, so if you guys want to buy it then please do because it is so good. It saves so much time than scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing windows just to get them dry. This just does it so quickly. And this is just magical too. Like I use this for this floor, I use it for windows, I use it for the hob. If there's anything stuck on the hob, I'll use it for that. But it's so good. I absolutely love it. This one came with so many more blades as well, which is great for when it runs out. Enough about that. Let's get doing things. I'm gonna first take the washing out of here and hang it up. So all the clothes have been put out now. I'm going to let this charge for a little bit longer and I'm going to edit while it's charging. So that's what I'm going to do now. So it's now time to do the windows. So I'm going to fill this up. Just take that off. See whatever's in there out. And then put a little bit of washing up liquid into here. Probably like just a little squeeze. And then I'm going to put some warm water in because warm water just helps to remove the dirt faster. Sorted, ready to go. Let's go do the windows in the extension room first because they're the biggest ones. Let's get those out of the way. all of these windows are now done. Issa wanted to help, but he's just not helping very well, so I've decided to not let him. But now I'm going to move on to the living room windows and the upstairs windows, and then I'm going to go do the outside windows, so that after I do them I can chuck the thing for that in the wash with some towels or something, so that it cleans it properly. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to try and do it as quick as I can, and then I will see you in a bit. So it's a little bit later now. I have just filmed a little bit of a video which is going to go up hopefully today. I'm hoping it will go up today because I haven't uploaded in a couple of days. Issa is just watching the iPad. I can't believe what he just did, okay? I feel really embarrassed telling you this as well, but I thought I might as well because why not? So I was upstairs cleaning the windows, cleaning the mirror. I kept coming over to check on Issa every couple of minutes. And then I went to clean the mirror in the bathroom. And then suddenly I could smell something. I was like, oh, that is not great. Can you see where this story's going? Oh, I can't believe I'm telling you this. So I went to the top of the stairs and I looked downstairs. Issa was on the bottom of the stairs, covered in poo. I literally checked on him 3 minutes. 3 minutes before that, before I went into the bathroom to clean the mirror in the bathroom, I checked on him. And he had poo on his face, on his belly, on his arms, all over his hands, like full on his hands, like, ugh. I felt like being sick. All over his legs. He'd walked it into the carpet on the bottom of the stairs, on the floorboards. No, disgusting. So I grabbed him under the armpits. I had to get changed because there was no way that I was keeping those clothes on. Even though I feel like nothing went on me, I feel like the water that was contaminated splashed on me a little bit. So I was like, nope, changing my clothes straight away. And so he has been changed as well. I stuck him in the shower, washed him down, literally scrubbed him, fully scrubbed him with soap about 3 times, and kept sniffing him to smell. Is this too much information? I don't care. But I kept sniffing him to smell if he still smelled like it, because it was bad. And then I took him out of the bath and just changed him into different clothes. And then I changed myself. And then I carried on doing windows, mirrors. That was very, very stressful and hectic. And it was something that I was not expecting. So earlier he puked. And now he pooped and touched it all. Like, why are kids like this? I don't get it. I don't. But anyway, I am just procrastinating. This is something that you should not do. This is something that the Productive Muslim book was telling me. Don't procrastinate, just do it, okay? Just do it, because otherwise you won't do it. So I finished doing all of the mirrors and windows upstairs. I even did the wardrobe mirrors. I did all the double glazing. I didn't even tell you that. I did all the double glazing in this room, upstairs. All of the upstairs rooms, I did all the double glazing. I cleaned it down with elbow grease, but I haven't done the outside ones, so I need to go and do the outside windows. I don't think I'm going to be able to have time to do the double glazing outside, so I might even just leave. Shall I leave it for another day? What time is it? It's 1:15. What are you doing? He's such a funny child. It's 2:15 now. And I have to leave in about half an hour. I could do it. Shall I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Why not? not perfect, but it's 100 times better than it was before. I'm gonna go out the front and do that, but I'm not gonna show you because I don't want you to know where I live, okay? I'm running so late to go get Aleesa. I need to go right now. I literally grabbed everything and got into the car and we're going now. So I'm just editing this video and there's nothing left to put in this video because I forgot to film the rest of the day. We basically had fish tacos and fish cakes for dinner and it was very nice, and that's it really. I do apologise about the poo stories, but I just wanted to be real with you. This is mum life. Sometimes it does happen. So if you don't have kids yet, be prepared because this is something that might happen. It didn't happen with Aleesa ever, but it has happened with Isa a couple of times now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Do